I've only had experience with one other provider. It was an absolute disaster. That's when myself and Damien spoke, and I knew TOMRA were good because they had been in Duns and Lidl. Well, we're unusual in the fact that we're probably one of maybe 3 stores in the whole country that open fully 24 hours. So we're a full walk-in 24-hour store. It's worked out very well. Our previous machine just wasn't fit for purpose.
So Paddy reached out to me after having a bad experience with a competitor, and we decided on the T90 because of the population in the area and how the DRS is growing. The T90 can take 2 660-litre bins internally, so its capacity is kind of future-proof moving forward.
We spoke to TOMRA and they gave us the advice on what machine they thought would be the best fit for the store. Knowing that we have a busy shop and that it would probably progress pretty quickly, we decided to go for the T90.
And with TOMRA having over 50 years experience, the T90 outside is perfect and the shelter is perfect for all weather conditions.
So it seems to be growing week on week. We see a lot of newer customers coming, people who haven't used the machine before. What we're seeing currently is anybody that brings back larger amounts of bottles tend to use it to buy fuel, and the smaller amounts tend to be used in stores. Yeah, I was happy to go with them and it's worked out very well, and I would recommend them to anybody.